Hi everyone. Now, we will tackle the 5 most common error in C language and C++ programming. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can click subscribe now, and hit the notification bell, and to learn more about the 5 most common error in C and C++. Make sure to watch the full video. Number 1. Syntax error. This error occurs when you violate the rules of writing C or C++ syntax. This compiler errors indicate something that must be fixed before the code can be compiled. All of these errors are detected by compiler, and thus are known as compiled time errors. There are some examples of syntax error. First, the missing semicolon. Semicolon is very important in coding C and C++ to mark every end of statement. And second, missing quotation. For output or declare a string or character type of data, we need to use the single or double quotations in a statement. Number 2. Runtime error. Errors that occur during the program execution, also called as runtime. After successful compilation, are called runtime error. One of its most common error is division by zero, and also known as division error. Example of runtime error. Division by zero. We all know that no number can be divided by zero. Even in mathematics, division by zero is an error. And number 3. Linker error. This error occurs when after compilation we link the different object files with mains project. These errors generated when the executable of the program cannot be generated. It may due to wrong function prototyping or incorrect header files. Its most common error is writing main function that starts with big letter M instead of small letter m. Some linker error example. The main function that starts with big letter M instead of small letter m. Then number 4. Logical error. On compilation and execution of program, desired output is not obtained. This type of error provides an unexpected or incorrect output. This error enables a program to compile and execute with no errors. And it is the most commonly error of beginners in programming. And, mostly depending on the logical thinking of a programmer. There is the most common example of logical error. The single equal sign instead of double equal sign. In programming, single equal sign is used to set a value into a variable. And the double equal sign is mostly used to compare any value, or to make testing conditions. And next, the missing parenthesis. It is mostly make an error in calculations or testing conditions. In this example, the error comes out because to calculate the average grade of a user, we need to add all of her grade and divide it by how many grades did the user enter. But because parenthesis does not exist, the execution of code first process the multiplication then the addition, as it follows the PEMDAS rules of calculation. And last, number 5. The semantic error. This error comes when the statements written in the program is not meaningful to the compiler. Example of semantic error. The infinite loop. This error is usually encountered by a programmer in reason of wrong or incorrect updates, or wrong testing conditions. That's all for this video. I hope you now know your error when coding in C or C++. If you have any concern or suggestion, please feel welcome to comment it below.